The Ulefone Armor X31 Pro is a rugged device with a unique design, a 120Hz display, night vision camera, and 5G support. It's literally among the best cheap 5G rugged phones of 2024 and 2025. For those of you that may be interested in the Armor X31 Pro, well, make sure to use the links in the video description, and there's a special sale that will be commencing very soon, probably on the 25th of December. And during that period, you may be able to get the Armor X31 Pro for a discount. Anyway, without further ado, let's explore the top features of the Armor X31 Pro.
You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast who loves adventure and night photography. The Ulefone Armor X31 Pro is not your average smartphone. This beast is rugged, durable, and built to survive just about anything you throw at it. With IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD810H certifications, it's practically indestructible. But toughness is just the beginning. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, the X31 Pro handles everyday tasks and gaming like a champ, and that 6.56-inch IPS LCD display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 800 nits of brightness, you're getting smooth visuals even under the sun. Now, let's talk cameras. The triple rear camera setup is a game-changer. A 64MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and the star of the show, the 25MP Sony IMX550 night vision camera. Low-light photos? Consider them conquered. Selfies? The 16MP front camera has you covered. Battery anxiety? Not here. The 6050 mAh battery keeps you powered all day long, and with extras like an infrared port, Bluetooth 5.2, and Android 14, it's got everything you need. All this for just $259, or even less if you hunt around. Available in black, orange, and green, the Ulefone Armor X31 Pro is the ultimate adventure tech companion. So why wait? Get yours now and let the adventures begin.
So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor X31 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in the Armor X31 Pro, make sure to use the links in the video description and in the comment section. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.